Hey guys, my name is Alex Ryan. Welcome back to the studio. Today's topic is starting an online business, why it's easier than ever. You don't need to be a techie. You can be an old codger, as they say. You could be 70, 80. You can still start an online business. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's become easier and easier these days. So we're going to talk and dive more into that topic shortly. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So it's easier now to get started in businesses, online businesses especially. Like the old days, we talked about you needed a factory or a shop front to sell things, you needed physical costs, employees, all right? But these days, it's easier than ever to start something online. Now, there is a growing need for online businesses because more people than ever are gonna need to be trained in starting and working for themselves. Because you look at what's happening, you look at Elon Musk, right? You look at Facebook, you look at the Google, right? They're doing robotics, they're doing artificial intelligence. It's gonna replace jobs. It's gonna mean the end of jobs, many different jobs. I used to be in accounting. I used to do tax returns and financial statements for a living. You know what? Thanks to Quicken, thanks to MYOB, and thanks to all these other accounting softwares, bookkeepers, they've been made redundant, all right? There's no such thing really as a very rich bookkeeper anymore, right? Businesses used to go around in little cars and do bookkeeping. Well, they're gone. Right? Accountants, their profession is on a timeline, it's going to end soon. Solicitors, already they've done stuff in artificial intelligence and they've actually been replacing legals, paralegals, right? They can do the job faster for solicitors than the actual physical person can. And I tell you what, at $300 an hour, that's what these people charge. It's a lot easier and cheaper for the business. So these businesses are slowly being replaced. You look at doctors, nurses, right? Retail, automotive, robotics, accountants, lawyers, we said that before, doctors, pharmacists, right? Have you heard of Dr. Google? Well, he's replacing a lot of doctors. Okay, transport, the self-driving cars, Tesla things, right? So guys, when that hits, there's going to be a lot more people looking for jobs, looking for work, looking to start a business, and it's easier than ever to start your own online business. Now, I would suggest doing something relating around selling something online, right? Whether you import from China and you learn how to import from China and choose hot products, whether that's what you do. Maybe you want to get into Amazon and launching an Amazon business and selling stuff on Amazon, whatever floats your boat, guys. But it's important to set something up on the side right now, because if you lost your job tomorrow, ask yourself this and be serious. How long could you survive? How much you got in your savings to survive? Most people, and this is sad, in Australia and America, most people have less than $2,000 in the bank account. So if there is an emergency, someone goes to the hospital, the kid goes to the hospital, someone in the family gets sick, there's a lawsuit, maybe someone's got cancer, they've got $2,000, and it's a big shame. Most people live hand to mouth, and we live in one of these societies. People don't really think about the future. So just think about this. What can you start online right now that could set you and your family up for financial freedom? Something that doesn't require a lot of time, but something that is highly profitable, but is low maintenance, right? Something that doesn't require you to go to a physical location, something that you can open up your laptop and run a business on. So just think about that, guys. Think and explore options around Amazon, around importing from China, right? Because this is the sort of stuff I teach at my website and in my book, of course, but at my website, I've got a free video series there. Visit my website or give us a call, 02-8003-7534. But guys, whatever you start, you want to make sure it's a low drama business. You want very little headaches, right? You want to get into something that doesn't require you to really think about, I've got to pay this employee, or I've got to look after that superannuation, or I've got to do this and buy more, pay the rent for the shop front, all right? So guys, Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. My name is Alex Ryan. Join me at my website. Give me a call, 02 8003 7534. Thank you for joining me today. Talk to you real soon. See you later.